Good day everyone, this is Richmond Joshua Rivera. Now more about New Era University. First is philosophy, mission, vision, and goals and objectives. Philosophy. Godliness is the foundation of knowledge. Mission. Provide a quality education and anchored on Christian values with the prime purpose of bringing honor and glory to God. Goals and objectives. First is impart value-laden education to the total development of man. Next is offer curricula responsive to the needs of the time. Next is optimize learning through the adoption, utilization of appropriate instructional methods and resources. Next is propel institutional development through the conduct of useful and significant researches. Next is extend outreach service which promote self in the humanity. Next is promote access to non-conventional higher education and basic education programs. Next is develop servant leaders among staff, faculty members, and administrators. The last one is produce God-fearing, competent, and disciplined graduates. And that's all. Thank you.